Hi everyone, Nadia here from Oxigo. If you use a CPAP machine, you might wonder, can I still travel safely and keep my therapy consistent? The answer is yes. With the right preparation, you can enjoy your trips without interrupting your treatment. In this video, I will share 5 essential tips to help you travel safely with your CPAP, whether you're going by car, plane, or just spending a few nights away from home. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow Oxigo on social media. We share weekly tips to help you get the most out of your CPAP and oxygen therapy. Check your CPAP's power options. Before you go, make sure your CPAP can work on different types of power sources. Most modern devices are dual voltage, which means they will work in other countries with the right plug adapter. If you're traveling somewhere without guaranteed power, like for example camping or long flights, consider bringing a CPAP battery. Always charge your battery fully before you leave and test it once to make sure everything works properly. And if you're looking for a travel-friendly CPAP battery, we have a full unboxing and walkthrough of the Medistrom Pilot Flex on our YouTube channel. It can help you decide if it's the right fit for your setup. Pack smart and bring the essentials. Pack your CPAP in a sturdy travel bag to protect it from bumps and dust. Most airlines allow CPAP machines as medical devices, so they don't count towards your hand luggage. In your bag include, of course, the device itself, and if you use it, your humidifier, your mask and tubing, power cords and adapter, and a copy of your prescription just in case. Flying with a CPAP. If you plan to use your CPAP on a plane, contact your airline far in advance. Some airlines allow in-flight use, others don't, so it's good to check ahead. Make sure your battery is FAA approved. Keep your CPAP under the seat in front of you and not in the overhead storage to avoid damage. Keep your equipment clean and dry. When you travel, it's easy for dust or moisture to build up inside your CPAP. Always empty and dry your humidifier before packing and use a small travel size cleaning kit to wipe your mask and tubing daily. If you're staying somewhere humid, avoid leaving the device near open windows or sinks. Clean gear means safer, more comfortable sleep, even on the road. Make a routine and test everything before you go. Try setting up your CPAP a few days before your trip, exactly the way you will use it while traveling. That way, you will know if you need any adapters, batteries, or extra parts. Bring spare filters and check your mask seal before you leave. It's all about preventing surprises when you're away from home. Traveling with CPAP doesn't have to be stressful. With the right preparation, you can keep your sleep therapy effective wherever you are. If you need travel accessories like CPAP batteries or replacement parts, visit oxigo.co. You will find everything you need to sleep well on the go. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next video.